Welcome to the Legal Masterminds podcast. This is where sharp minds meet sharp law. We break down landmark cases, teach strategy, and keep you steps ahead. Whether you are a lawyer, law student, legal intern, or just someone who loves smart conversations. Inside this podcast, we do not just talk law, we unlock it. Want to join the community behind this podcast? Send us a DM. We promise you will love it here. Now let us get into today's case.
This is a summary of Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria versus Bi-Courtney Limited and the Attorney General of the Federation, decided by the Supreme Court of Nigeria on June 28, 2024. In 2003, the federal government signed a 36-year concession with Bi-Courtney Limited to rebuild and operate MMA-2, the Lagos Domestic Terminal. The government acted through the Minister of Aviation and the Federal Airports Authority, which owned and managed the airport. Bi-Courtney invested over 39 billion naira. It later accused the government of breaching the agreement by 1. Allowing domestic flights to use other terminals. 2. Approving a rival terminal project by Lagos State. 3. Failing to hand over the General Aviation Terminal, GAT. Bi-Courtney said these actions ruined its revenue projections and ability to recover costs. After failed talks through a coordinating committee, Bi-Courtney sued the Attorney General in 2009, not the Federal Airports Authority, and won at the Federal High Court. The authority said it only learned of the case after judgment. It claimed the decision affected its interest and applied to the Court of Appeal to be joined and to appeal. But its motion combined three requests, leave to join, leave to appeal, and extension of time, into one. The Court of Appeal dismissed it for not following proper procedure. At the Supreme Court, the authority raised four arguments: 1. That it was affected by the judgment and had a right to appeal. 2. That it, not the Attorney General, should have been sued. 3. That the delay was due to waiting for ministerial approval. 4. That the case should have gone to arbitration. The Supreme Court dismissed all 4 points. First, under Section 243 of the Constitution, a non-party must first seek leave to be joined before appealing. Skipping that step made the motion incompetent. Second, the Attorney General was the proper party. Under Section 150, he may represent the federal government and its agencies. Since the project was federal, the Attorney General was lawfully sued. Third, the delay was not justified. The authority got approval in March 2010 but fired in June. Its affidavit failed to explain this clearly. Courts require precise timelines. Fourth, arbitration was not mandatory. The coordinating committee had been used. Since no one challenged that process, Bi-Courtney could go to court. All 5 justices agreed: Justices Okoro, Ogonwumeju, Abubakar, Adumain, and Abiru. Justice Ogonwumeju said the authority could not override the Attorney General. Justice Abiru noted that skipping proper steps was fatal. The appeal failed. Key takeaways: follow the right legal steps in order. Agencies cannot override the Attorney General when he has defended a case. Delays must be fully explained with specific timelines. This case shows that in litigation, procedure is very important.
Hope you enjoyed this case. Now imagine having access to minds that break down the law like this every single week. Why not join our Legal Masterminds community today? We do more than analyze cases. We build legal giants. One thing we promise you: you will stay up to date with Nigerian law, master powerful legal strategies, and connect with people who think just like you. Our next meeting is this coming Saturday at 8 p.m. West African time. We are always prompt, no delays. Send us a DM to join. The seat is yours if you are ready. Till next time, stay learning, stay bold, stay sharp.